Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows Update error KB5055683 failed to install in Windows 10 computer. So this error KB5055683 update is a cumulative update for .NET Framework released on April 8, 2025, targeting Windows 10 versions 22H2, and the common cause include unstable internet connections, corrupted system files, and corrupted update cache. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable .NET Framework components. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel and then click open. And then once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify. So you can see here this view by, and then click this arrow and select large icons to see all settings, and then click. And then next step, then you need to select programs and features and click. And once you open up this programs and features, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select turn Windows features on or off, and then click. And then once you open up this turn Windows features on or off, and next step, then we need to enable this .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. So all you have to do on how to enable, so check this box, and then next step, then click OK, and wait to complete the searching for record files. Alright, so we have two options here. So one is let Windows Update download the files for you, or don't downloads. So all you have to do is to click or select this let Windows Update download the files for you. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows Features, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update and networking troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings, and then click open. And here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters, and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side, then you can see here this run, and then click. And pop up this Windows Update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. So this is the result that we have problem founds that Windows Update issues. This is the detected here. And if this issue is already fixed, then you need to click yes. But if not, and then click no. And then you need to follow again the screen instructions to fix these issues. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then we need to close, and we need to restart this PC. So click the start menu and click restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix error KB5055683 failed to install in Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.